This article lists the 5 cholesterol-lowering nuts, beans, and grains that sources and studies across the United States and Western Europe say are the healthiest. It is important to be aware of the healthiest foods to ensure a wide range of nutrients in the diet. A balanced diet is the secret to healthy eating. This video will cover the 5 healthiest foods and their benefits. Point 1. Almonds. Almonds provide plenty of nutrients, including trusted source: magnesium, vitamin E, iron, calcium, fiber, riboflavin. One 2019 meta-analysis trusted source found that consuming almonds significantly reduced total cholesterol levels. Almonds are included as a good source of protein among recommended healthy foods by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. A 2019 review of clinical research indicated that regular consumption of almonds may reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood levels of LDL cholesterol. Point 2. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts, Bertholletia excelsa, are some of the most healthful nuts available. They are an excellent trusted source of both protein and carbohydrates, and they also provide good amounts of vitamin B1, vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Brazil nuts also contain more selenium than many other foods. Selenium is a vital mineral for maintaining thyroid function trusted source, and it is a great antioxidant for the human body. These nuts come in a hard shell and are usually available ready to eat, making them a quick, nutritious snack. Point 3. Lentils. A lentil is a pulse that features prominently in many food cultures around the world, including those of Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, India, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka. Lentils provide good amounts trusted source of fiber, magnesium, and potassium. They tend to require a long cooking time. However, manufacturers can sprout the seeds, making them a delicious, healthful, ready-to-eat snack. Adding a container of sprouted lentils to a lunchbox or picnic basket, perhaps with some chili powder or pepper for flavoring, makes for a delicious and healthful snack. Point 4. Oatmeal. Interest in oatmeal has increased considerably during the past 20 years because of its health benefits. In 1997, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, agreed that foods with high levels of rolled oats or oat bran could include data on the label about their cardiovascular health benefits as part of a low-fat diet. This led to a surge in oatmeal's popularity. Research has found that the cereal's soluble fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels trusted source and reduce cardiovascular risk factors. Oats contain complex carbohydrates, as well as water-soluble fiber. These slow down digestion and help stabilize levels of blood glucose. Oatmeal is also a good trusted source of folate and potassium. People can make oatmeal from rolled or ground oats. Coarse or steel-cut oats contain more fiber than instant varieties. Point 5. Wheat germ. Wheat germ is the part of wheat that grows into a plant. It is essentially the embryo of a seed. Germ, along with bran, is a byproduct of milling. Refining cereals often removes the germ and bran content. Whole grain products, however, still contain the germ and bran. This makes them a more healthful choice. Wheat germ is high in several vital nutrients, including fiber, vitamin E, folic acid, thiamine, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, fatty alcohols, essential fatty acids. This is a compilation of 5 types of nuts, pulses, and grains that are rich in nutrients and reduce blood cholesterol. If you know about any foods, please comment below the video to let everyone know. Remember to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to see your healthy foods. Thank you for watching the video.